everyone, welcome to the Chevron STEM Zone at the Natural Valley First Tree Open. I'm Delilah.
And I'm Caitlin.
Caitlin, out of all our exhibits here, what's your favorite?
I thought thermal imaging was fascinating
Why is that?
because you get to see your own image through a thermal camera that measures in color our body heat produced by your muscles and internal organs, such as the liver, brain, and heart.
Are you saying I'm a hottie?
I'm saying you give off infrared radiation.
That doesn't sound as good.
It's a scientific fact.
The Chevron STEM Zone is an awesome way to learn about science, technology, engineering, and math. Thanks, Chevron.